How to make a custom product page on Elementor. Quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can create your own custom product page with Elementor. So let's get into it. Now there are two plugins I'm going to be using in this video. First off, we are using WooCommerce as our primary e-commerce setup, and then we're using Elementor as our website builder. So these are the two things that I'm going to be working with. Now to get started, I'm just going to go into the pages section. I'm going to click on add new, and this will be the new page. So I'm going to click on edit with Elementor, and we're going to begin building our own new page. So first off, you can see that we have our empty space, and you can click on edit over here on the bottom where you can see you can add multiple different items into your space. Now, the first thing that I actually want to add for my space might be a column, or it might be something like a product page. So you can see if you click on WooCommerce over here, you can see WooCommerce is integrated with Elementor. You have archive product, you have other integrations that enable you to create specific kind of items in your pages. So this will allow you to simply create a more diversified look on your page. And if you do purchase the premium version of Elementor, they give you access to all of those customizations that you can create for your page. So for this, maybe I want to first off display the product heading or the product title. So this is going to be my heading text, and I'm just going to name it t-shirt, and then you can also add a URL or type where it could be reled to this page back again. Then you have the size of your heading text, so I want it to be large. Then you have your HTML tag and the alignment. So let's say I want it to be aligned to the left side of my screen, or maybe to the center, but I want it to the left. Then you can click on style over here and choose your text color. So I want this to be in black. And then you can choose your typography. So your typography is basically your font. And let's say that we want a simple font like this one. And then you can choose the size of your font as well. Now below that, let's say you want to add the image, or you want to add a divider or a column. That is totally up to you. Now depending on the type of item that you might want to be adding, you can add that. Let's say that you want to add an image carousel where you have multiple images of the product, you can add those. But let's say that you can simply go into the general section of your Elementor widgets, and you can see there are multiple different options for you to choose from. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on sidebar, and you're going to choose right sidebar. And you can see over here, this enables you to create sidebars as well. Now I'm going to move this down, but first I'm going to actually add the image box over here. Now, once I've added the image box, what I'm going to do is I am going to click on, we're going to remove this section first. And then I'm going to add my image box once again because I accidentally removed it. Yes, so now that I've added my image box, I can simply upload the image. So let's say this is the item that I'm selling. I can upload the image. Then you can enter more information about the product, like so. So you can enter more information. You can add the description as well. Once you've done that, you can go into the advanced settings and the style settings to customize the look of your listing. Now you can also click on over here to divide the layout. So you can actually, lay this out on half of the screen instead of having it occupy the entire space. So let's say I want it to be at the start like this and like so. You can enter a specific layout for your column as well. Now, after that, what you're going to do is you're just going to go into your site settings or your theme builder. We're just going to continue building with some of our site identity, you could say, or the overall settings that you want for your website. Now, after you've added your basic listing, you might want to actually add the WooCommerce integrations, such as your pricing or your add to cart options. All of those are available on the premium version of Elementor, so you will have to purchase that. Now, other than that, you can also add testimonials for your product. You can also add multiple images, as well as progress bars, menu anchors, and read mores for your product. product. Now, if you want to add all of the premium items such as, PayPal buttons and other social buttons, you do have to purchase Elementor. However, you can build simply with your WordPress integration as well. So if you save your little page over here, and if you open it up over here, you can see this is what it's currently looking like. Now, if I click on edit page directly from WordPress, now you'll be able to see what it's going to look like, and I will rename this section. And we're going to click on update. We're going to click on edit with Elementor now. And using a combination of multiple different website editors, you can add all of the features that you normally would have on e-commerce integrations or pro versions of the e-commerce integrations. Now, what I recommend is that once you create like a products page, you actually add multiple different category page. I have added like a basic category because this is just a sample for you guys, but for most people, I would recommend adding multiple different tabs, and within those tabs to add multiple different products. This is a simple feature on Elementor. Now on the bottom, I'm going to put in the star rating. And once I've done that, I'm just going to update. And your customers can then rate your product as well. And you can go on ahead and add other cart options using WooCommerce or your basic website builder as well to further optimize your e-commerce integrations. Now, I would say that for e-commerce, WordPress is not the best item to use, simply because it does not have all of the features that other e-commerce website builders do have, such as creating, specific product types or niches, or creating certain menu pages, creating fields within fields, categorizations, all that good stuff is not as optimized whenever you are going to be using WordPress. So for that regard, I do recommend to most people that they should go on ahead and create their e-commerce stores using their other website builders like Shopify. However, you can create a decent one, a okay one, but it's not going to be as good as some of the other competitors out there, simply because they are built on platforms that are optimized for e-commerce. And if you're using a platform that is not optimized for e-commerce, then it just simply won't be able to do everything that the other platforms can do. So keep that in mind whenever you're trying to build your e-commerce store with a WordPress website builder. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.